Crabs have existed for more than 400 million years, making them one of the most ancient living species. A turtle's shell is part of its skeleton, made up of over 50 bones, including its spine and ribs. Blue tangs help maintain healthy reef ecosystems by grazing algae, preventing coral suffocation. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are located in its arms, allowing each arm to perform tasks independently. When a baby penguin is born, it's called a chick. They often have soft, fluffy feathers. The whale shark is the largest shark species, reaching lengths of up to 18 meters. Some sharks, like the Greenland shark, can live for over 390 years, making them the longest living vertebrates. The common cooked lobster turns red due to proteins breaking down from heat exposure. Unlike fish, sea turtles breathe air with lungs and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 hours. A shark continually loses and replaces teeth, having multiple rows of teeth, 5 to 15, sometimes totaling up to 30,000 teeth over a lifetime. The male anglerfish has an extraordinarily well-developed sense of smell, allowing it to locate females by detecting pheromones in the murky ocean. Baby ducks are covered in soft down feathers, not actual feathers at birth. Pufferfish have 4 strong teeth fused into a beak to crush hard shells of their food. Stingrays are generally non-aggressive and sting only when threatened or provoked. Snails are mollusks with coiled shells and a muscular foot for movement. They have a radula, a tongue-like organ with. Hermit crabs are found in almost all marine environments, from sandy or muddy ocean bottoms to some species that occur occasionally on land and even in trees. Seahorses do not have teeth or a stomach, so they eat small food frequently by sucking it up. Fish are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature changes with the environment. Hammerhead sharks have different types of teeth in their mouths, sharp front teeth for grasping and flatter back teeth for crushing prey. Despite their reputation, great white sharks rarely attack humans, often taking a sample bite out of curiosity. Penguins are flightless birds adapted for swimming, using flipper-like wings to fly underwater at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Ducks live on every continent except Antarctica and inhabit freshwater and saltwater environments. Eels are elongated fish with snake-like bodies, lacking pelvic fins and often pectoral fins. Frogs use their eyes to help swallow food by pushing it down their throat. Starfish are mostly predators or scavengers. Starfish are echinoderms with radial symmetry and the ability to regenerate lost arms. Sharks never have to worry about brushing their teeth. This is because the surfaces of their teeth are coated in fluoride, keeping them safe from decay. Hermit crabs don't have their own shells. They find empty shells from other animals to live in and change shells as they grow. A squid has large eyes, usually on the sides of its head. 2 of a squid's 10 arms are longer than the others.